How to installing LiveChat on BigCommerce. Installing LiveChat on your BigCommerce store is quick and easy. Once installed, you can chat with your customers right away. Guide your customers towards sales in a real-time conversation, right on your website. Install LiveChat on your BigCommerce store. 1. First, log into BigCommerce and switch to the Apps section. 2. Then, go to BigCommerce App Marketplace. 3. There, type LiveChat into search and choose LiveChat from the list of apps. 4. On the page dedicated to LiveChat application, click on Get this app. 5. Next, click on Login. 6. Then, click on Install. 7. The installation process requires your agreement to the BigCommerce's privacy policy. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, click on Confirm. 8. Your LiveChat app is now ready. All you need to do is click on Connect to create a new LiveChat account and connect it to your BigCommerce store. If you already have an account, click on Sign in and enter your LiveChat account credentials. 9. Additionally, you can add agents to your LiveChat license. If not, you can skip this step. And that's it. The chat widget will appear on your website right away. Log into your LiveChat and start chatting with customers. Make sure you use web or desktop apps in your daily work. They make chatting with customers and managing your account as easy as it gets. Let other BigCommerce users manage LiveChat. Remember to give access to Manage LiveChat app to users of your BigCommerce license. Here's how to do it. 1. Go to Account Settings, rightward arrow Users, and click on the 3 dots icon next to the user you want to edit. 2. Click on Edit. 3. Scroll down to Single Click Apps section, and check the box next to LiveChat. 4. To finalize, click on Save. That's it. Repeat these steps for other users that should be granted access. Hit https://lc.chat/66d4k and get yourself started with LiveChat.